Hey guys, it's Wyatt from That Cabinet Company. I'm going to have a quick little demonstration today on how to pair a Bluetooth button or switch, depending on which you opt to go with one of our Bluetooth power supplies. The way that you'll know that it is a Bluetooth power supply is at the end of the item number, you'll see that it says 12VS. Also, when you open it up, inside you're going to have a small metal pin. That's for resetting or pairing the Bluetooth button/switch to the unit, a power cord, and then also your Bluetooth controller, which on this side, so you'll have your end port with 4 ports here and 2 additional ports here. You'll see a reset button and an LED button. To pair, all we need to do is plug it in. I'm also going to plug in a light just for use case so you guys can see what is happening on the unit in totality with setting it up / pairing it. So we'll plug it in. You'll notice the light will come on. You'll also notice that the red illumination or LED will light up on the LED side. So what we'll do at this point, we've already placed our 2032 battery inside of the switch. Underneath this cover with the perforated or the side of the 2032 battery that has a little bit of texture face down. We'll get the pin out, and we're going to insert it into the reset button. We'll hit the reset button, hold it. You'll see that the LED light will start flashing blue. At this point, it's looking to pair. So by clicking the button, now this is now started and begun / paired the button to the actual unit. So you can see that the light has come off. Now when we click it again, it'll turn the light back on and off. One cool feature of the Bluetooth receiver or the Bluetooth driver is that it actually has the power to dim the lights. So I've just turned it on. I'll hold the Bluetooth button and you'll actually watch the light start to dim out. And something cool with the LED driver is that it'll actually memorize the exact brightness level that you set it at. So we've dimmed the light now. We will turn it off and then turn it back on, and it'll come back right back to that brightness that we just left it at. Once you click the button again, it'll take it all the way to its dimmest setting. So you can see that's the dimmest setting, and for example, off and back on again. From there, we can hold it again, and it will take it all the way to its brightest setting. Once it goes to its brightest setting, we'll be at the brightest setting there, and you can go off and back on. Awesome. All right, guys, that's just a quick tutorial on how to set up your Bluetooth switch with your Bluetooth LED driver. The LED light is illuminated solid blue now, which just states that this is fully paired to the driver. And besides that, we're all set. So any questions, give us a call, 248-308-6924. Ask for myself, Wyatt, or send us an email at info@thatcabinetcompany.com. Alrighty, thanks, guys. You have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.